How to increase or decrease the audio volume of multiple clips inside DaVinci Resolve 16. Come here to the Edit tab, select multiple clips on the timeline, come here to the Inspector tab and Audio. And here we have volume. You have to decrease or increase this slider, and you can increase or decrease the volume of multiple clips. If you decide to add more clips to that selection, so these were modified and those are not yet modified, then in that case, here at Audio, the volume is grayed out. In that case, you have to reset them. Reset, and now you can modify those files also. Okay, by the way, when multiple clips are selected, as it's here, it's mentioning it here, multiple clips. If you select just one clip, multiple clips is not shown up here. So from there, you can know that you have to deal with multiple clips. Audio, grayed out, reset, and now you can use it.